Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with Mimi. So viewers, today I have a beautiful and unique pebbles clock ideas. You can see different beautiful colors, different beautiful pebbles clock, and you can see it is very interesting and stylish pebble clock ideas, and I hope you like it and you like it. So please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon viewers, and you can see more videos and press the bell icon, and please share your friends and family members. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.